There is something serious going on within Discord nowadays, and we really need to discuss about it since there are a lot of questions rising up related to this topic. Well, most of you have already figured out that one of the most famous music bot on Discord has been shut down a while ago, and there are multiple opinions and reasons people are listening to on internet and within Discord itself. It's just known that they have received a notice from YouTube, and that was basically all, which was the first bot to come in notice to public. However, today on 12th of September, another popular Discord music bot announced for its shutdown on 15th of September 2021 at around 4 p.m. I'm not really sure about the time zone yet. And that bot is Rhythm. Yes, it is true that Rhythm bot has finally announced its shutdown by 15th of September because it has also received a notice from YouTube asking them to shut down their service. Now, for those who are really not familiar with these two bots, Rhythm and Groovy, are one of the largest music bots on Discord, and music has been one of the most popular way to pass your time and listen to music on Discord with your friends or alone. But now it looks like all music bots are shutting down slowly from time to time, and Discord may just announce for all of the music bots to completely vanish from Discord itself. Now, know that these are just my own personal theories and suggestions, which is according to my thinking, so this doesn't really mean that I'm correct or wrong. However, the part where I'm saying whether I'm correct or wrong is the part where why these bots are being shut down. But if you're asking yourself whether these bots are really being shut down, then the answer is yes. However, if you're asking if these bots are being shut down forever, well, the answer is we just don't know yet. According to my theory, there may be several reasons why YouTube is asking for this. I only have one reason in my mind, which I think might be the reason. Now, you see, one of the ways YouTube gets its income is by playing and promoting ads in the beginning or within their videos. And unfortunately, when MusicBot is being used within Discord, we are basically bypassing that specific cycle within which an ad is supposed to be played, where YouTube can earn some income. And honestly, Discord is being used by millions of people, and millions of people are bypassing these ads that is supposed to be played on YouTube. Now, according to this, of course, YouTube is getting a lot of loss. I mean, millions of people listening to music by using YouTube service within Discord, and YouTube is totally not showing ads to those millions of people, which is they are supposed to get an income from. So that is why I believe the reason YouTube is asking all music bots to shut down and not play their videos within Discord. And that is totally understandable because YouTube has its own policies and rights. The main question is that will Discord actually completely remove MusicBot from Discord itself? This question is actually still unknown because Discord itself did not really make an announcement related to this topic yet. I'm pretty sure Discord and YouTube both are discussing about this together so far. Discord is a great partner with YouTube in both ways as a platform and business, and there just may be any chance. It may be that YouTube disagrees with Discord from playing its videos, or Discord may just offer something, just make YouTube agree with them to let them play their videos within Discord. So yes, these two largest music bots have been taken down by YouTube as a notice, and there still may be some chances where many other bots might shut down in the future as well. So all we can do is hang in tight and wait for any large announcement which Discord itself will probably make. But whatever comes next, I'll try my best to keep you guys up to date. But yeah, I just wanted to make this clear and inform you guys with this short announcement that unfortunately today RhythmBot has also announced for its shutdown. However, let's just hope for a good positive news in the future. But let's just say if music bots are being shut down on Discord, then you totally don't have to worry about it. I understand that MusicBot is one of the ways we used to spend our time on Discord and have fun with it, but Discord is a large and great platform, and there is just a lot more you can do within it, and seems like we just have to live with it. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short information. I tried to make this announcement as soon as possible, and if you really found it helpful, then make sure to leave a like to this video and subscribe to my channel for upcoming announcements and tips and tricks regarding to Discord itself. And if you guys don't know what is this channel about and who I am, then this channel is basically currently talking all about Discord, and I have started making tips, tricks, and tutorials related to Discord from the very basic steps to advanced level. And if you are one of the users who are really interested into Discord and have never used it or have been using it for a long time and you want to learn something really cool and interesting and awesome, maybe how to improve your server or get more members, then make sure to subscribe down below and click on the bell icon to never miss my upcoming videos. And as well, not to mention, I have my own server within Discord, where the first one is related to this channel which I have recently made, and the second one is just an international hangout server, so if you are interested then just make sure to join. Also, I am currently giving away a nitro which is going on right now, so if you want to get a chance to win this nitro, then make sure to join my server and react to the message so you can join in and get a chance to win one. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching and see you on the upcoming video.